Hey, this is Bijoyee. I'm from University West, Sweden, and I'm doing my master's in sustainable development. Basically, I'm from Bangladesh. I'm now studying in Sweden. So today, for Stars in the Kitchen, for Stars EU, I'm bringing you, guess what? Sweden's most favorite and cozy and comfort food, Swedish meatball. You can find this dish in every Swedish home. So why are you getting late? Let's get started. Come, let's cook.
Hello. Today, I'm making a super simple and comforting meal, which is Swedish style meatballs. So, first things first, we need onions. I'm chopping them up nicely and fine. Chop, chop, chop. And yes, here I totally forgot my apron, so let me quickly fix that. Now, for the meatball mix, we are using here butter, fried onions, eggs, breadcrumbs soaked in a little bit of milk, and of course the meat. I'm using chicken today, but you can go for beef or pork and whatever you like. Then get the pan on the stove and melt some butter, add the onions, and fry them until they're soft and slightly golden. Once done, set them aside in a bowl. And then for the next part, add your breadcrumbs with milk, crack in 2 eggs, and mix everything really well. And you really don't forget salt and pepper. Season it to your taste, of course. Now I'm adding the chicken mince and mix it all together until it's nicely combined. Then let it rest for about an hour or two. It depends totally on you. This helps the flavors come over. It's really good for that. So while that rests, let's make the sauce. So in a pan, add some butter and a bit of olive oil. Maybe I put too much. Then sprinkle in some flour and stir it well, then to form a base. Slowly add those chicken stock while mixing it continuously to avoid lumps. Then add a splash of soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Let it simmer until it becomes smooth and rich. Now, back to the meatballs. Shape them into small balls and place them on a tray. And also bake them at 200 degrees of Fahrenheit for about, I think, 15 to 20 minutes until they're cooked, though. You can look at too. It's easy. And now it's time to plate. Then serve the meatballs with the creamy sauce, some mashed potatoes, and a side of broccoli, which is my favorite. And that's it. It's a perfect, cozy student dinner. And here I'm eating my dinner and listening some music and having fun. So, hope you enjoyed it and happy cooking. Thank you guys. Bye bye.